Welcome to War India News Hour. India is pushing hard towards digitization, automation to drive 5G. India has demonstrated what it means to leapfrog across key technology areas. The Digital India program has been driving connectivity, services and education to transform India into a digitally empowered society. The advantages of 5G are overwhelming. With its ultra-high speed, ultra-low latency and ultra-high reliability, 5G holds the potential to revolutionize consumer services, improve industrial and infrastructure efficiency, and enhance the overall quality of life. India's push towards automation and digitization of manufacturing processes, leveraging information and communication technologies, is expected to drive 5G adoption. 5G networks offer the potential to transform enterprises and industrial sectors to deliver significant social and economic benefits in India. In fact, 5G technologies are expected to make an overall contribution of close to $450 billion to the Indian economy by 2040. While the adoption of 5G networks creates many benefits, it also expands the attack surface as the number of interconnected devices increases. One of the biggest challenges for security leaders is the vast amount of data that can be transferred quickly and easily over insecure networks. 5G is expected to increase the connectedness of devices from IoT to industrial IoT, which will expand the threat landscape significantly as many of these devices may be poorly implemented from a security perspective. In an increasingly interconnected world, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Governments and private organizations cannot address it independently, they have to work together. In India, the private sector owns and operates most networks, which include elements of critical infrastructure like mobile networks. These private players need to be the government's essential partners in protecting critical infrastructure, especially if 5G is incorporated. Network operators need to ensure the security of the infrastructure, while the public and private sectors assume responsibility for securing the applications. When both parties actively form strong partnerships, they can stay on top of securing the most critical assets. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. India and America are natural partners. PM invites Kamala Harris to India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in a joint media appearance with US Vice President Kamala Harris, India and America are natural partners. We have similar values, geopolitical interests. This is the first meeting between the two leaders. Ms. Harris had earlier spoken with PM Modi over the phone in June during the COVID-19 crisis in India. PM Modi has invited Ms. Harris to visit India. PM Modi and Kamala Harris issued a joint press statement ahead of their bilateral level meeting. HP to simplify the managed print services offerings with cloud-based print subscription plan. HP Incorporation announced HP Managed Print Flex, a new cloud-first managed print service subscription plan that helps businesses optimize cost by simplifying management, improving productivity, and delivering flexibility to scale or customize as business needs change. This light-touch managed service makes it easy for businesses to worry less about printing and focus more effort and budget towards growing the business. With this, it will simplify the managed print service with new cloud-based subscription plan for hybrid work environments. Zoom to bring the next era of communications. The undisputed leader in the conferencing and collaboration technology shows a range of innovations will enable businesses in the post-COVID era to embrace change, enable hybrid workforces, and grow their businesses. There are newer innovations including Zoom Video Engagement Center, Zoom Whiteboard, and Zoom is also teaming up with Horizon Workrooms to offer Zoom and Oculus team up to bring the physical and virtual world together. Going forward, Zoom plans to expand use cases of Zoom Room Smart Gallery for meeting spaces by creating individual video feeds of in-room participants so that they are viewed clearly and equally by remote employees. KPIT Technologies to acquire 25% stake in Future Mobility Solutions GmbH. The KPIT Technologies board has approved the acquisition of an initial 25% stake in Germany-based Future Mobility Solutions GmbH and the remaining stake over the next 3 years. The total consideration for 100% shareholding will not exceed 15.6 million. The company said it expects the acquisition of the first tranche of 25% stake in Future Mobility to be completed in September 2021, while 100% acquisition is expected by the last quarter of financial year 2023-24. Future Mobility is engaged in software and feature development in autonomous driving, ADAS, and vehicle safety and integration and validation. Cisco to invest in Israeli streaming software firm Quilt. Cisco Systems is going to invest $70 million in Israeli streaming software firm Quilt at a valuation of $800 million. Quilt said the Series E funds will help fuel the company's ambitions to build one of the world's largest high-performing content delivery networks with global service providers. CDNs are a geographically distributed group of servers that work together to provide fast content delivery. As per the sources, Quilt also works with leading cable, telecommunications and mobile service providers to improve their streaming quality offerings. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.